Need top-quality car parts in Ireland? Welcome to EasyCarParts.ie, your trusted local source for everything your car needs. Our website makes it simple to find the perfect parts for your car. Just enter your car's make, model, and year, and let us handle the rest. We offer a comprehensive range of parts, all from trusted brands. From brake pads to batteries, we've got you covered with the best in the market. With fast nationwide delivery across Ireland, your parts arrive quickly, so you can get back on the road without delay. And with our hassle-free returns, shopping with us is worry-free. Whether you're a DIY car lover or a professional mechanic, EasyCarParts.ie is your go-to for keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Need assistance? Our expert Irish customer service team is always ready to help with any questions or concerns. Take advantage of our exclusive deals and discounts, making top-quality car parts more affordable right here in Ireland. Join countless satisfied customers across Ireland who trust EasyCarParts.ie for all their car part needs. Reliable, fast, and always at the right price. Visit EasyCarParts.ie today, Ireland's leading car parts provider. Your car will thank you.